Hi, my name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. I am a director of LifeForce, where we treat patients with vitiligo and other diseases from all across the world. I come across parents whose children have been diagnosed having vitiligo, and I understand that they experience tremendous amount of pain and anguish by hearing the word vitiligo. I have some message for parents. I would like to share with you around 15 points which you as a parent need to understand about your vitiligo, about the vitiligo that your child has. 1. Do not get panic. It is very important that all the parents just don't get panic by hearing the word vitiligo, because vitiligo is not a serious disease. It is a benign disease. It does not have serious implications on the health of your child. 2. Try to understand vitiligo. Rather than getting worried about vitiligo, I would like you to understand that vitiligo is a disease just like any other disease. Vitiligo is a chronic disease like say migraine or diabetes or high blood pressure or arthritis, etc. 3. All vitiligo patients do not develop vitiligo all over the body. So it is not a good idea to think or imagine that your child will have vitiligo all over the body. It is very rare that vitiligo could be very extensive. 4. There are several types of vitiligo that you need to understand. Whether your child has what is called as segmental vitiligo, that is just a few spots on the skin, or one variety in which child develops vitiligo on both the sides of the body, what is called as bilaterally symmetrical vitiligo. You can ask your doctor and take his help to understand your vitiligo type. 5. Vitiligo is not an infection. Vitiligo is not infectious. It does not spread by touch or contact. You don't need to keep your child's clothes separate. You don't need to wash hands when you touch a vitiligo patient. I know it sounds silly, but many people in this country and in certain parts of the world have wrong ideas about vitiligo as a contagious or infectious disease. 6. Social stigma. Unfortunately, in today's society, vitiligo still is a social stigma in certain parts of the country and the world, not everywhere. And of course, we are evolving, but as a parent, you should know that it is more of a social stigma, and medically, this disease is not a serious disease. Number 7. Accept it. I always say that if you want your child to be accepted by the society when he has vitiligo, I would like you to accept vitiligo for yourself. I would like you to accept vitiligo so that your child will accept vitiligo. It is very important that you accept yourself first. You accept your vitiligo so that others, the society, will accept your vitiligo and you as a person. 8. Do not hide your vitiligo spots. I know many times you are very conscious and you would like to use some kind of camouflage or makeup to hide your vitiligo, or to avoid wearing certain kind of dress which will show vitiligo spots. My personal suggestion to you is to try to avoid hiding your vitiligo, because the moment you are hiding your vitiligo, actually you are trying to refuse to accept your vitiligo. I would like you to accept it as it is so that others also can accept it. This is a tip to my patients, parents, that do not search for vitiligo spots. I come across patients, parents who keep on searching vitiligo spots every single day on the entire body of the child. This is not done. I suggest that you should examine vitiligo spots not more than once in a month. That too, when your child is asleep, try to look at your vitiligo, at his vitiligo. Don't check out every single day. By examining vitiligo spots every single day, you are unknowingly making your child very conscious about vitiligo. Boost your child's confidence. It's very important that you boost your child's confidence, one who has vitiligo. Don't make stories which are negative about your child's vitiligo. Don't keep discussing within the family as if your child has a serious disease. You take it easy. You pay attention to your child's skills, pay attention to his development, his education, and let him feel very confident about what is he good at. Vitiligo actually is not a serious issue at all. Number 13, let vitiligo not be a block to your child's growth. It is very important. Knowingly or unknowingly, you might end up allowing vitiligo to be a block to your child's growth. Please don't do that. 14. Treatment of vitiligo. As a parent, you have to understand that vitiligo is a disease which is difficult to treat. You are looking at options which can either cure vitiligo to a certain extent, which can control the further spread of vitiligo, and also you need to know that the treatment you go for should be safe for your child. And last point 15, that is, take professional help to understand your child's vitiligo. Try to see a doctor who has treated at least 50 to 100 cases of vitiligo, who has good knowledge about what vitiligo is all about, what is the treatment, and what is the scope of treatment for your child's vitiligo. For more information on vitiligo, you can examine our website called vitiligotreatment.com. Thank you so much.